Hello to all of my remote students. This video is for VOC English 1 and Honors English 1 remote students. We're going to be talking today about the All About Me Google Slides. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to the assignment sheet and the rubric. Assignment introduction. The purpose of this assignment/presentation is for me to get to know more about you. As your teacher, I like to know about you so I know how to help you succeed in my class. In addition, finding out what type of learner you are will help me greatly. I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you throughout this school year. So this is what our slides are going to look like. Okay, slide 1, title, a little bit about you, name, age, picture. Slide 2, all about you. This is kind of where we get to know a little bit more. Slide 3, all about your family, parents, grandparents, siblings, dog, cats, etc. Tell us about your family. Slide 4, likes. What are your favorite things? Like examples, favorite TV show, movie, actor, food, things like that. Slide 5, we want to know about your dislikes. Slide 6, tell us about any extracurriculars that you're involved in outside of school. And then slide 7, I want you to talk about what type of learner are you. Okay, and on Google Classroom, you're going to want to click on this assignment sheet so you can go to this quiz and take it. So I want to know if you're an auditory, visual, or tactile learner in this quiz. Well, I'll tell you that. And you can tell me if you agree or disagree with what the quiz says. That would be a great thing to add. And then slide 8, thank you, and then time for questions. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our rubric. So each slide is worth 2 points. 1 point is for pictures on your slide, and then the other point is for making sure you have everything on your slide. So that's 16 points. And there's 4 points that go into did you put effort into this assignment? Okay, you turned it in properly, all that fun stuff. So this is worth 20 points total. So it's our first big assignment for this year. And I'm going to go ahead and take you over to my Google Slides and give you a little bit of taste on kind of what I want you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and present mine, give you a feel for what yours should look like, and then we'll be done. All right, so all about me. My name is Miss Jones, as I hope you already know. A little bit more, my birthday is March 2nd, 1996. I would describe myself as an organized, kind, outgoing English teacher. My future career, I think I might want to be a principal or athletic director someday. My interests include boating, reading, watching movies, kayaking, laying out by the pool, and spending time with family and friends. My parents just recently bought a boat, so that's been how I've been enjoying my weekends. Over here, I've got my sister Jillian. This is my brother Mac and my sister. My family over here, and this is my best friend Katie. So let's go ahead and take a look at my family. My parents are Damien and Sarah Jones. My dad is the superintendent at Argenta, and my mom is a teacher's aide for a life skills classroom indicator. My sister Jillian is 22. She's currently student teaching at Warrensburg, and her fiance Austin is right here. They're getting married next June. And then Mac is over here. He is 18. He's currently a senior at Argenta. For my grandparents, on my dad's side, I've got Gil and Darlene, and on my mom's side, I've got Diane. My great-grandparent includes Cookie. This is Cookie up here. She's cute as a button. She's 97. For dogs, I've got Blue and Red. This is Red. They're both mini Aussies. And then over here, we've got Blue. And then also Max over here. This is my sister and her fiance's dog. He's a cutie pie. And then my best friends are Katie and Sean. Some of the things I like, I enjoy the TV show Euphoria and Stranger Things. Movies, I like Into the Wild, the Harry Potter movies, and the Twilight movies. YouTube, I really like David Dobrik, the Try Guys. Video games, I love Animal Crossing. Actors, I love Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt, Timothée Chalamet, and Robert Pattinson. For actresses, I love Margot Robbie, Charlize Theron, and Jennifer Lawrence. My absolute favorite restaurant is Chipotle, and I also love El Corral in Decatur. My favorite food is a chicken bowl from Chipotle or a roast con pollo. For drinks, I love Coca-Cola, Sprite, and sweet tea. My favorite colors are blue, gray, and black. My favorite sport is volleyball or football. My favorite team is Storm Volleyball. Obviously, I'm the coach, and I really like U of I volleyball. I don't watch a lot of professional sports, but I do enjoy collegiate sports. My favorite book is The Catcher in the Rye. And my favorite things to teach are Into the Wild for seniors, and short stories are Romeo and Juliet for freshmen. Some of the things I dislike when people are unkind, judgmental, or dishonest. I don't eat red meat, so this little cow up here, I won't eat him. I dislike eating cows, and I do not like Mountain Dew. And be nice and do your work in my class, we won't have any problems. As far as extracurriculars, I'm also in charge of publications, so I do the yearbook. I'm the head middle school volleyball coach and the assistant high school volleyball coach. I'm a visual learner. I'm a learner who processes information that they can see better than what I hear, which is interesting. And then my last slide, here's a little picture of me at my 6th birthday and a little picture of me as a baby. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. So make sure you guys get your journal done today. Take a look at this presentation. You will be allowed. I have to set aside some class time remotely on Friday for us to work on this, and it will be due the 14th of September. So please keep that in mind. And that's all I have for you guys. Have a good one.